Hello everyone, back again with us Group 5. Here we will discuss the history of Keynes and Samuelson's economic thought.
Let's us introduce ourselves. There are Safira Nashirathil, Rivina Halamadis, Shifa Odisa. These two thoughts have had a major impact on the development of modern economic theory and economic policy. Keynesianism provides the basis for fiscal policy and government intervention in addressing problems of economic imbalance, while Samuelson's approach combines elements of Keynesian and neoclassical theory to understand market behavior and the efficient allocation of resources.
The concepts of Keynesian economic thought and Samuelson's economic thought have several similarities, because Paul Samuelson, a famous economist, was a follower of Keynes. The following is a brief explanation of these two economic thoughts. The concept of economic thought according to Keynesianism theory, popularized by John Maynard Keynes. This theory emphasizes the role of government in overcoming economic problems, especially in recession situations. Keynesianism suggests that governments should intervene with fiscal policy, changes in spending and taxes, to increase aggregate demand and encourage economic growth. Keynes's concept of economic thought. John Maynard Keynes was an English economist known for his theories on fiscal policy and government intervention in the economy. Keynes argued that the economy could experience imbalances and crises caused by a lack of effective demand. According to Keynes, in a recession or depression situation, the government must take action to increase public spending through fiscal policies such as increasing infrastructure spending or stimulus programs. Keynes also emphasized the important role of government in regulating and controlling economic activity, including monetary policy and market regulation.
Next is Paul Samuelson's theory of economic thought. Samuelson's concept of economic thought. Paul Samuelson is an American economist who popularized the modern economic approach by using mathematical approaches in economic models. Samuelson is known for his work in introducing general equilibrium theory in economics, which involves the analysis of interactions between consumers, producers, and markets. Samuelson's approach combines elements of Keynesian and neoclassical theory, with an emphasis on market equilibrium and the efficiency of resource allocation. Samuelson also developed the concept of elasticity of demand and supply, and introduced the concept of externalities in economic analysis.
Thank you for your concern. Are there any questions?